Hey guys, it's another deep clean with me, and today we're going to be deep cleaning my fridge. So I'm going to be giving it a thorough wash down, deep clean. It's necessary, it's needed. I know it looks pretty clean right now, but that's because I typically try to maintain it throughout the week. Sometimes it might get worse if I'm not able to, or if my husband's not able to do it, but this looks pretty good. But I wanted to give it like a really good deep clean. So you'll see me kind of like really scrub it down and rub it down throughout like every crease and crevice. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking so you guys can keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up a little bit, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Bye.